Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and the 12 days of Christmas. We are on day 7. So I am going to be unboxing one more window in the LimeLife Advent Calendar, as well as I will reveal another enduring lip color that I'm wearing for you guys today. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have for you guys in this video today, stay tuned for the rest of the video. If you guys are just tuning in for the first time today and you haven't seen the other 6 videos, I will link them here as well as put a link down in the description box that you guys can check them out after you're done watching this video. So if you have been following along, you guys have seen all the cool details about this box, the bow, the tag it comes with. Let's just dive right in. Okay, so we are opening day number 7 of this gorgeous calendar. So we are over on the second page. We have another mask. Okay, so if you guys do not know, LimeLife has 2 masks. One is a clay mask and one is a hydrating mask. And so this one is, we already opened the one mask, if you guys were following along. So we already opened the first mask, and I might have given away a little bit of a sneak peek to my tip for this mask. So first of all, I'm going to read a little bit of information off the website for you guys, give you guys my favorite tip for this mask, and then we will talk about this fabulous, warm, amazing lipstick color. Oh my gosh, you guys, don't you love it? I love it. I was so not expecting to love this color, but I get a lot of compliments on it. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of this video. So let's get into the Mask of Zen. Okay, so it says here, this gentle acne fighting mask with Montana clay, tea tree oil, white carrot oil, and cinnamon bark. So if you guys are like me and you're a little bit nerdy, write those ingredients down. You might want to rewind it, write those ingredients down, and go search on the web all the amazing things that does for your skin, all those ingredients. Cinnamon bark and cinnamon bark act simultaneously against all the major causes of skin imbalance. Used regularly, it will greatly improve the health of your skin, reduce acne breakouts, and bring a youthful glow. So it is recommended for normal to oily or acne prone skin, but let me tell you, if you have dry and acne prone skin, my tip for you is to use both of these masks together. So, or you can just there's a hydrating cleanser that you can use, and then I'll suggest the person use that hydrating cleanser because you're getting that boost of moisture, and then you can use this and dot it on wherever you get blemishes, but not apply it as a whole mask. So if you apply it just on the blemishes that you have, like that are being stubborn, put them on nightly, go to bed, and in like 3 to 4 days you will have, like, if they're not gone, greatly reduce the appearance of your blemishes. So this is an amazing product for me. I think it's for all skin types because, like I said, there are some skin types out there that are dry and acne prone. So yeah, that's my little tip. If you do have oily skin, definitely go and apply this as a full mask, leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off because it will help pull out anything that you have in the pores, get rid of all the gunk, help heal breakouts, and then it's really good for, like I said, balancing your skin. And then you want to go ahead and apply your moisturizer and your Sotox, and then go to bed. I usually like to apply my facial oils and everything. Like, I have a little cocktail that I put on my skin before I go to bed that I can do a separate video for you guys on if you're interested. But yeah, that's what I'll do this mask at night, and then I'll put my whole concoction of moisturizers on my skin, go to bed, my skin wakes up, I wake up and my skin feels fabulous. Okay, so now let's get into this lip color. You guys, what does this lip color remind you of? Caramel. So that is what it's called, is salted caramel. And if you guys have never used the enduring lip colors, they are the liquid lipsticks from LimeLife. They do go on sort of creamy and then they dry to a matte finish. What I love about them is, especially when you start getting into these darker colors, they won't go on your lips once they're dry because they dry. So if you guys have never used one of these lip colors before, I would definitely suggest giving them a try. You won't be sorry. They're so amazing. They feel so good on your lip and they're not drying. So if you guys enjoyed that video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which one has been your favorite unboxing day so far, which one you're most excited about. And click the subscribe button as well as the bell so you guys will be notified tomorrow when I upload the new video. So we will be going on to day 8 of unboxing another window in here, and yeah, that's everything. So hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.